Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little pack with me because I think as of this video, like when it goes up, I will be going to Vegas next week and I'm really excited. I haven't traveled in over a year, so I'm just really excited to go anywhere. So basically, me and my husband and my mom and a few of our friends, we all got vaccinated and decided to go on this little trip. We're only going for 2 days, so it's going to be very short. And as you guys may know, one of my favorite things in the whole world is packing. I know it sounds crazy, but I just love figuring out what I'm going to wear on trips, what bags I'm going to bring, and I love packing like minimalist, but not really. And what I mean by that is that I only bring one bag with me, and this is the bag that I'm going to be carrying. This bag is from Away. I recently got it on a sale and I really do love it, and I'm so excited to be using it for travel. But yeah, basically I only bring one bag with me, so we pack really lightly, but not really. And if you watched any of my packing videos, you'll know exactly what I mean, because I still managed to bring every single thing that I want to, even though I am only using one bag. And I did buy something really special for this trip, so I'm going to be doing a quick luxury unboxing at the start of this video. So if you're interested to see that, and if you're interested to see how I'm packing everything into this bag, please stay tuned. But if you're new here, hello, my name is Saki. Welcome to my channel. I love talking about handbags and luxury, and I also do monthly giveaways, and I upload twice a week, so there's plenty to do and see here. So I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button down below and join my channel. Alright, so before we begin, I'm going to unbox that thing that I was talking about that I got especially for this trip. I usually like to buy stuff before trips and during trips. I know it's so crazy, but I've been wanting something like this for a long time, and I thought this was just like the perfect time to buy it for myself. So I already opened it and tried it on and everything to make sure it works. And if you guys have bought this item before, you'll know that they are Louboutin shoes. Okay, so I only have one pair of Louboutin shoes. I'm just really picky, especially when it comes to luxury shoes. I need them to be comfortable, which my other Louboutins are not. So I was kind of hesitant about buying another, pair of shoes from them, but this is a totally different style, and I did my research, and lo and behold, they are actually very comfortable. I've worn them like all around the house to make sure that I do want to keep them, and yeah, they're extremely comfortable. Alright, anyway, sorry for rambling. So I'm just gonna make this quick, show you the shoes, and tell you the style and everything. So here are the red dust bags. Ooh, it's so exciting. I love Louboutin shoes. I just wish that they were all more comfortable. So the shoes that I got are these. How cute are these? These are just some strappy wedge sandals. I think this is called the Loubi Queen, which is just the most extra name ever. I think that this height is 100 mm. I think that stands for millimeters, right? So they're not the tallest. I think the tallest that you can get is actually 120, which those are the ones that look like they're at a complete right angle, which your girl cannot walk in those shoes. So these are like probably the highest that I would buy. One thing though that I will mention is that my feet slip pretty easily right here, and I did go with the recommended sizing. They said to size a half step up. So my normal size in these kinds of shoes are 36.5, but then I did buy them in a 37. So that might be why my foot slips, but I feel like when I'm wearing them, my ankle goes like perfectly to the edge. So I do think that they're the right size, but I did buy these like non-stick pads from Amazon that I'm probably just going to put right here to help keep my foot secure so that when I'm walking, my toes don't slip down. I would try them on for you, but my feet look really gross because I haven't gotten a pedicure like all winter. But I'm actually going to try and vlog our Vegas trip because my mom and I are going luxury shopping, so hopefully I can film a little bit of that for you, and maybe you'll be able to see all the outfits that I show you in this video. So happy to bring these on my trip. Alright, so now that we have that out of the way, let's start packing. So I have my bag right here. So they say on the website that they guarantee that this bag fits under the seat in front of you, so you can use it as a personal item if you are traveling anything like Frontier or United or any of the smaller airlines that only allow you to have one personal item. And plus the duffel bag that I actually used before this was about the same size, so I'm pretty sure it will be okay. There's so many cool things about this bag. It is designed for travel. No, this video is not sponsored, but I genuinely just really, really love this bag. So there's like a slip pocket right here where you can put the like rolly thing on your suitcase if you do carry on as well. And there's just like so many compartments. There's one in the back, one in the front, and inside there's like a laptop compartment, a slip pocket. There's just like so many little things that I really appreciate. I'm actually going to bring you guys down so that you can see how I'm packing my bag. So you won't see my face, but you'll at least see how everything fits inside the bag. Alright, so here I have the bag. I'm so sorry about the mess, but this is all the stuff that we're going to be packing today. And I'm also sorry about the sweatpants, but you know, it's YouTube. Literally every YouTuber wears sweats in their videos. Alright, so the first thing that I like to put in here are actually my clothes. So I like to do the technique where you like fold and roll because I think that's the most effective method in my opinion. So I have this dress that I'm wearing to dinner. It's just a lace dress. I think it's super cute. And I'll just fold it up into a little ball like this and stick it all the way at the bottom corner. This is the second dress that I have for dinner the second night. This is just a bandage dress, so it is kind of sexy, but I do wear like a cover up with it, and I'm also probably going to be wearing my jacket with it because Vegas does get kind of cold at night because it's in the desert. I'm packing 2 sundresses with me, so I have this one. This is from either Abercrombie & Fitch or Hollister, I'm not sure. I just did like a pretty big dress order from them because they came out with a lot of cute stuff, and I love how like these sundresses are really lightweight. So they fold up into little tiny balls, so they are perfect to bring with you for travel. So this is just what it looks like on the inside so far. Here is another one of those dresses. This is actually my favorite, and I do believe this one is from Hollister. Hopefully you guys will be able to see me wearing this in my vlog because it's honestly the cutest thing ever. I'm also bringing this. I might wear this to the pool or, you know, just out and about during the day. It is a 2-piece set from Hollister. I just think that their clothes are like, you know, well priced and they're pretty good quality. Every time I buy something from there, I can usually wear it for like, you know, a couple of years, assuming that I don't get them dirty or anything. And then I have this backup dress. It is just a mid-length slip dress, and it's got like a cool cowl neck kind of thing. This one I could probably get away with wearing during the day or night, but I figure, you know, in case something happens to one of the dresses that I plan to wear, I can just, you know, use this one as a backup. And because it's one of those really lightweight summer dresses, it balls up like it's nothing. So I do like to bring these as backup just in case something happens to one of my outfits. Alright, and then I have a few cardigans. So this is just a long white cardigan that I'll probably be using to cover up my swimsuit because I do think that we're going to spend a little bit of time at the pool. I don't normally like the pool or anything, but Noah needs to work on his tan, so I think that we are going to chill by the pool for a little bit. I have one more cardigan, and I actually do think I have one more cardigan after this, but I'm going to be wearing it on the plane, so I'm not packing it. And see how like if you roll everything into little balls, they kind of just like, I don't know, they fit together really well, and I feel like they take up like no space. Alright, after that I do have my swimsuit. This swimsuit is from Voda Swim, and I haven't bought a new swimsuit in literally like 5 years, so I was really due for a new one. So I got this, and it's so cool because it wraps like this. I don't know if you can tell anything from that, but I might show you guys this. I don't know. I'm pretty shy when it comes to like swimsuits and stuff, so I might not show you guys that, but I do highly recommend Voda Swim if you guys are looking for nice, like affordable swimsuits. Alright, next I just have pajamas. These are just my little pink satin 2-piece pajamas. I think I actually got these from Amazon, and I've just been wearing them all the time because they're so easy to wear. And then I have a pair of white shorts that I like to wear under my dresses in case they are see-through or anything. Alright, so far it looks like this, and I just have all of my clothes in here. So I'm actually going to be putting my shoes in here next. I'm just wrapping like the strap around itself, and because they're brand new, I'm not really worried about it like touching my clothes or anything. However, if after I do wear them, I'll probably put them in like little baggies, like maybe some plastic bags or something. I'm probably not going to bring their dust bags because I do think that they're too thick and they take up too much room, but I am going to be shoving them in the clothing a little bit to kind of protect the heels, and then kind of just shove them in here. Alright, next I'm actually going to be putting this Longchamp bag that I have. I love to bring this with me during travel because if I do buy something, I like to have a backup bag just in case, and then, you know, I'll pay for the second bag or whatever to go on the flight, but I do really like having a backup just in case. And these Longchamp bags fold into practically nothing, so I think they make great travel companions. Plus, I think that I can use this bag, you know, when we go to the pool and stuff. Alright, this is actually one of the bags that I'm bringing on my trip. I'm actually going to be using this for when we go to dinners. I know that I really never have used this Saint Laurent bag, but I think that it's a great size and you don't really need anything when you're going to dinner anyway, and I can fit like my phone, a lipstick, a compact in here, my little card case, so that's pretty much all that I need. I'm also bringing a chain just in case because if I do get tired of using it as a clutch, I can easily slip the chain on like this and then use it as a little shoulder bag. And the chain takes up literally no room at all, so I don't mind bringing it just in case for backup. The dress that I'm wearing for dinner is pink, and it doesn't look good with any of the pink bags that I have because it is more of like an orange pink, and I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't fit with anything, so that is why I also chose to bring this YSL clutch. And I'm just going to be putting that on the side because it is thin, so it just fits right here. Alright, next we have boring stuff like socks and underwear, so I'm just going to be shoving that in the bag. Alright, the last couple of things are just essentials that I like to bring with me when I travel. So first is my hair straightener. I feel like normally hotels will have hair dryers, or you can even like towel dry and air dry your hair, but I definitely do need a straightener with me, you know, like for my bangs and just to get out all the frizziness. Next, I do bring a couple of snacks with me just in case. I throw one of these in my purse while I'm traveling because I am one of those people who, like, if I get hungry, my sugar just drops instantly and I need something like in my stomach, like literally anything. So I bought these like little granola bars and they have chocolate in them, so they're perfect. Next is my lint roller. I have to have this because all of my clothes have cat and dog hair on them, so I need something like this when I'm traveling. These are nice because they're very, very tiny. So I'll just shove that in there. Next I have some Q-tips and some flossers. And then I have my toiletries bag. Then I have this little pouch that I am bringing that has all of my little jewelry pieces in it. So I do have a couple of necklaces and earrings and bracelets and stuff that I am going to be wearing. And then these are really neat. You guys will probably have seen these if you watched my other pack with me videos, but they're called purse pals and they're just foldable flats. So I like to have these just in case my feet get tired if I am, you know, walking with heels a lot. So I like to bring these just in case. Alright, and then the last thing I have is my makeup bag, so I will put that on top. I like to put the toiletries bag and the makeup bag on top because they do contain liquids, so if there is a problem, I can just take them out really easily. And yeah, that's it. So I will be closing this up. Alright, and here we go. So it was kind of a tight squeeze, but everything does fit in there pretty nicely. Alright, and I do want to show you a couple more things that I am kind of cheating on. So I'm going to be packing these in Noah's bag, but these are definitely some travel essentials for me. This is a tiny little steamer. So you just plug it in, you put the water in here, and it steams your clothing. And this is definitely a must-have for me because of the way that I roll everything. Everything always gets super wrinkly, and plus I'm bringing like a suit for Noah with like, you know, dress shirts and stuff that definitely need to be steamed or ironed, and this thing is really, really tiny. I just don't have room in my bag for it, but Noah's bag has room, so that is a plus about traveling with somebody else. And you know, he doesn't really need that many clothes or anything, so his bag has plenty of room. I'm also kind of being excessive in this trip and bringing 2 other pairs of shoes. I don't normally do anything like this, but I do really want to bring these Saint Laurent wedges just to have a heel for the daytime because I did bring these to Vegas last time and they were very, very comfortable. I walked in them all day and I just absolutely love them, so I'm going to be throwing these in Noah's bag as well. And then for the flight, I'm going to be wearing my Gucci sneakers. I'm actually realistically probably going to be wearing these during the day more than these, but I do just like to have the option, okay? I don't know. The Louis Vuitton heels are definitely more of like a dinner thing, so I'm going to be wearing those for both nights for dinner, but I just need some daytime shoes. And these Gucci Ace sneakers that I got for, was it Christmas? Yeah, I think it was Christmas. They're very, very comfortable. If you guys have heard about, you know, Gucci shoes being comfortable, Gucci sneakers being comfortable, it is not a lie. They are very, very comfortable. So I think that these will be nice on the flight. On the flight, I'm also going to be just wearing a pair of jeans, a tank top, and then a cardigan. And then I'm also bringing my All Saints leather jacket because, like I said, it does get a little bit cold at night. And yeah, that is all that I'm packing. So this is what I mean by like, I pack minimal, but I bring everything that I need to bring. I know that I'm cheating a little bit with using like Noah's bag for these shoes in the steamer, but that's honestly like 2 items. And honestly, I could forego 1 pair of shoes if I really, really needed to. So that is how I pack lightly. Oh, and you guys are probably wondering which bag that I'm bringing. I know technically you're only allowed to bring like 1 personal item on the flight if you are paying for a bag, which like I said, this one is going to be because it slides underneath the seat. But I always carry like a crossbody bag, and I kind of try to hide it in my coat so that people don't see if they are checking to see if you have like multiple bags or whatever. And this always works, so feel free to use this technique if you are also trying to sneak a bag onto the plane. I think you guys might be surprised by my choices of what I'm going to bring as like my handbag. I haven't decided between these 2 yet, so actually let me know in the comment section down below which bag I should bring with me. The first bag is going to surprise you greatly. It's my boy bag. So I've actually been using this bag a lot lately, and it's been going with like literally all of my clothes, and I've gotten comfortable with like, you know, the strap. I used to think it was super fussy, but now that I'm just wearing it as a crossbody bag, I don't think it's as fussy as I made it out to be. So I am thinking of bringing this one. It also just goes really, really well with all of the sundresses and stuff that I picked out, so that is another reason why I think this bag is really great. And the second bag that I'm thinking about bringing is my new Chanel Square Mini. This thing has proven to hold a lot, but I actually think that it holds less than my boy. But it's a great crossbody bag for the daytime. It looks great in the nighttime, and I'm just so excited to use it because it is the newest bag in my collection. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I bring my boy bag or should I bring my new Chanel Mini? I'm not sure. Alright, so that's all for my video. Please let me know which handbag you think I should bring, and let me know what your packing essentials are, or if you're going on any trips this year. Before I wanted to go, I did want to talk about May's giveaway that I'm doing. This month I am giving away this from Hermes. It is the Hermes Perfume. This is the scent that I got for Christmas, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It smells so fresh and so clean, and I did a perfume giveaway a couple of months ago and you guys loved it. So I have decided to give this away for the month of May. All you have to do to enter this month's giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. You can enter in every single one of my videos that I upload in May, so the more videos you watch and comment on, the more chances you'll have to win. You also do have to be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave your Instagram username in that comment if it is different from your YouTube username. I'll be picking a winner at the end of the month, and this is just my way of saying thank you for watching my videos. And yeah, with that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?